Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. LASCO Financial Services says every dollar donated through the Support Jamaica platform following Hurricane Melissa has been fully accounted for and remitted to the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM. In a statement responding to recent Public Accounts Committee discussions, the company said the temporary withholding of a portion of donations was a standard security reserve provided for under its merchant agreement with ODPEM to guard against fraudulent transactions and chargebacks. LASCO says about 70% of donations continued to be remitted daily while the reserve was in place, and that more than 95% of the funds had been transferred by the end of March this year. The company acknowledged there was a delay in releasing the remaining funds, but says the issue was identified and corrected, insisting every dollar donated has since been remitted to ODPEM.